Your social media feed is probably lying to you right now about your own nervous system. I spent the last 48 hours chasing a digital ghost that claims a tiny pinch of pink salt can magically fix your burning feet and tingling hands. It is everywhere. You have seen the videos. They show these glowing testimonials and promise that a single ritual will make neuropathy vanish into thin air. I get why this is tempting. Nerve pain is exhausting. It is isolating. It is a heavy burden to carry every single day. Wanting a natural way to find relief is not just reasonable, it is human. I started looking into the actual supplement behind this viral trend because so many of you sent me messages about it. I wanted to see if the science matched the hype. What I found was a complete mess of contradictions. I pulled up the official order page and my jaw dropped. The ingredient list looked like a cheap weight loss supplement from 20 years ago. It had things like green tea extract and garcinia and metabolism boosters. Those things have nothing to do with repairing nerve sheaths or calming overactive signals. Then I checked another site for the same brand. That one claimed it was full of calming herbs and roots. A third site said it contained actual nerve-supporting compounds like vitamin B12 or alpha-lipoic acid. How can one product have 3 different formulas depending on which link you click? That is a massive red flag. It means there is no consistency. It means nobody is actually standing behind what is inside those capsules. If a company cannot even decide what their product is made of, they should not be putting it in your body. It gets even worse when you look at the faces they use to sell this stuff. You might see clips of famous TV doctors or talk show hosts giving a glowing recommendation. Do not believe them. Those videos are fake. They are created by sophisticated computer programs to mimic real voices and faces. Fact checkers have already proven that these celebrities never endorsed this product. It is a recycled pitch used for dozens of different scams across the internet. They just swap the bottle in the video and keep the same script. Even the pink salt that started the whole craze is missing from the actual formula. It is not even in the bottle. They use the idea of a simple kitchen trick to get you in the door. Then they try to sell you a bottle of mystery powder through an affiliate link that someone is making a commission on. Real nerve health is complicated. It requires actual medical insight and personalized care. It deserves a conversation with a person who has a degree on their wall and your best interest at heart. Do not let a countdown timer on a website or a fake testimonial pressure you into making a health decision. If a product relies on fake famous people and shifting labels, it is a clear sign to walk away. Keep your wallet closed and your head high. Talk to a clinician who can look at the evidence and the root cause of your discomfort. You deserve better than a viral trick that does not even include the ingredients it promised. I am glad I took this deep dive so you can see the truth behind the curtain and protect your health and your hard-earned money. There are legitimate paths to feeling better, but they do not usually start with a sponsored video and a bottle of mystery pills. Take care of yourself and stay skeptical of anything that sounds too good to be true.